Peace be upon you, and welcome to the AROPL Balkans channel. Welcome to another episode of our show, who are having more or less every day now, and welcome to the presentation of the world of wise and the presentation of the religion of peace and light. And hope we'll be speaking in a peaceful tone with all the morals and manners that are appropriate to the religion of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and its adherents. Whoever wants to speak about religion, maybe Christian religion, maybe some other religions, because we are researching, we're kind of presenting the truth about religion. And we are, me, I'm from Slovenia, and we're representing the whole basically in the Balkan region, because I'm Slovenian. I'm aware that in Slovenia, like Islam, even talking about Islam presents a certain problem. But other guys, like in the southern regions, are familiar with this religion, and I, like many people, even I called them on the channel, and they came and they said that they research religion for quite a long time. For example, I put on the channel brother Aleš from Slovenia, and he said he was researching religion for 15 years. And I said, how nice of him that he is researching religion for the 15 years, and he was reading Quran for the 15 years, but he doesn't understand anything. And I explained to him that basically what Abba Sadiq taught me, that Quran is the book of archetypes, it's the book of basically revelation, it's a living book, and for sure as such it should be read, so if anybody has trouble understanding that, I can explain to him again, like if you really want to come on the channel and ask me like anything about the religion of peace and light, I can explain it to you, I can explain to you why the Islam is being exploited by your scholars, like by your leaders politically, and even by the religious institutions. Why are you being such a adherable, pious, docile slave that you are, and that you don't have the guts for speaking out? This is the case about religion in general, But I don't know, maybe somebody will have the guts and come on the channel and explain you why, how I am being wrong, and you are being right, you can explain, you are most welcome to come and explain me that, how am I wrong and that I should be quiet and listen to you, to your arguments. So, for sure, you are najlepše ste, dakle, vas pozivam da dođete, da mi objasnite kako se ja varam, kako sam ja varalica i kako vi meni trebate da objašnjavate nešto što ja ne znam. Dakle, izvolite i objasnite mi kojom pravom vi meni imate objašnjavati šta ja trebam da vjerujem ako pričam o islamu. I do sada, dakle, došli su ljudi koji su, ne znam, došli su u grupama, da sam konkretan. Ja svakako sam bio nekako šokiran kad sam vidio ovoliki broj ljudi. Ja sam mislio, dakle, da oni su došli nekim dobrom. Ja odmah mislim, dakle, da, jer predstavljam, dakle, ako govorimo o religiji mira i svjetlosti, ja svakako kao takvu, ja mislim da ako govorimo o miru i svjetlosti, kao takav mir i svjetlost treba predstavljati. Dakle, ne znam zašto bi neko imao problem sa mirom i svjetlošću. Stvarno ne znam. I stvarno ne znam zašto mi kao ljudi ne bi trebali razgovarati o religiji kao takvoj. Dakle, jer ja mislim da o nekim stvarima trebamo da govorimo otvoreno i da predstavljamo neku istinu istorijsku, dakle, o događajima u svijetu, događajima u prošlim vremenima, o događajima, o Bogu, o ljudima, dakle, o životinjima. I kao takvo, dakle, Ahmad Religion of Peace and Light ima mnogo sljedbenika koji vjeruju u istinu i ono što je Abba Sadiq uči, što je Abba Sadiq predstavlja na školi božanskih misterija i što Abba Sadiq kaže na podijumu, dakle, na propovedonici kao Kain, dakle, kao ovaj čovjek koji je dakle, objavljenu sijetu ili vilajetu poslanika Mohameda sallallahu alejhi ve sellem i kao takvo, dakle, mi predstavljamo religiju i ja mislim da ju predstavljamo koherentno, da ljudi znaju da ni Balkan nije, dakle, strano slučaj, dakle, da niko ne zna, dakle, da ljudi sa Balkana, da šta se događa na Balkanu, barem ja tako mislim, jer svakako nije toliko daleko kad su ljudi, dakle, bili u nekoj zajedničkoj grupi, dakle, država koji su se slagale s jednim stvarima i, dakle, s jednim stvarima se nisu slagale i kao takvi, dakle, ja, na primjer, nisam bio nikad političar. Evo, ja nikada u životu, dakle, nisam mito primao, dakle, da bi mi neko dao mito da ja šutim o bilo čemu. Da ja, ne znam, ili da govorim neistinu, dakle, da me neko plaća, dakle, da, ili da sam ja, dakle, neki milioner ovdje koji ću vas sada odvesti na stran put i ispričavati vam nešto što bi vas dovelo, dakle, kao čovjeka u nešto što je neistinito. Dakle, ja kao takav, govorim otvoreno, nimam nikakvu namjeru da ove stvari činim i, dakle, ako neko misli da ja to činim, može da mi objasni zašto on misli da bi ja to učinio kao čovjek i zašto on misli da bi ja to, ne znam, zbog čega, dakle, uzrok za to zašto bi ja ovo činio zbog nečega što on misli da je možda moralni i neopravdano ili, dakle, da on ima neku drugu perspektivu u životu ili možda referencu koje čovjek ima da priča koherentno o religiji. Dakle, zašto možda čovjek sa ulice ne može pričati o religiji, a čovjek u džamiji može? Dakle, jer ja kao čovjek ovo stvarno ne razumijem. Zašto? Jer kada pogledamo, dakle, Isusa Krista, kada ljudi kažu da su hrišćani, sa kome je Isus Krista razgovarao, dakle, Isus Krist nije razgovarao, dakle, sa vladarima ili, ne znam, s ovim. Dakle, on je došao u farizejima, dakle, i rekao im, gledajte, ja sam došao kao Mesija vama i ja sam poslanik, dakle, ljudstvo ili u stvari čovječanstvo Izraela, dakle, plemenu Jude koji je tada živjelo, dakle, u ovom zemlju i svakako su se tada desilo ovakve stvari koje su, dakle, razdelile ljude koji su išli na više puta i svakako tada je bio, dakle, Rim već dugo vremena na svjetskoj pozornici. Dakle, to je neka historijska činjenica. Dakle, svi koji znaju išta o religiji ili istoriji se slažemo sa tome. I kao tako, dakle, ja nemam nikakvog problema pričati historijsku priču, jer zašto? Jer sam pročitao dotične historijske knjige i ja mislim, i kao takvo, dakle, i objavljeno je u Golo the Wise, dakle, su objavljene neke stvari, dakle, ili su barem navedene knjige kao reference za dotične stvari u kojima su napisane stvari koje su historijske činjenice. I ako i pogledamo dakle, Bibliju, dakle, Stari zavjet, Novi zavjet i Koran, dakle, svakako kada pogledamo ove tri knjige i stavimo ih u historijski kontekst, možemo saznati svašta. Dakle, zašto? Jer svakako kada su ljudi pisali ove knjige, barem poslanici, dakle, kad je poslanik došao, dakle, imao je, kada se objavlja Božja riječ, dakle, na primjer kad se objavio Koran, svakako poslanik Mohamed nije imao namjeru bilo kome lagati. I stavio je, dakle, toliko je bio striktan u ovome da se objavi onako kako je, dakle, bilo njemu objavljeno, kakav je stišla riječ Božja koja se spustila. Dakle, da je u stvari bila stvar u tome da je otpustio pisara i ambasadnik je to dakle, rekao u školi božanskih misterija da je eksalirao, dakle, ovaj čovjek koji je pisao, dakle, pogrešne riječi koje je pisao poslanik Muhamed, on ga je, dakle, ekskomunicirao i rekao mu je, dakle, nemoj više dolaziti, i 5 godina je čovjek lutao i onda se vratio, dakle, i poslanik Muhamed ga je primio nazad. I to je to, dakle, zašto bi poslanik Muhamed sallallahu alejhi ve sellem bilo kome lagao o religiji i zašto neko misli da bi to trebao činiti? Ja mislim da nema nikakve potrebe da ljudi lažu same sebe, da je poslanik Muhamed bilo koga imeo namjeru slamati i da je bilo koji od 12 imama, ili barem 11 imama poslije njega, jer 12 imam, dakle, kao znamo, je u kotaciji i tek treba se vratiti, ali kao takav, dakle, ja shvatam religiju islama. Dakle, sa imamijama ili 12-tornicima ili 12-verima ili kako god ih zovete, dakle, koji ih zovete šije, se mi slažemo do trenutka kada, dakle, mi vjerujemo u 12 imama. Ali mi nismo, dakle, ovi 12-torci ili 12-veri ili imamije, jer vjerujemo da će, dakle, posle 12 imama biti 12 Mehdija i ovi imamije, oni u to ne vjeruju. I to je to. Dakle, bili smo na live-u kod Vorkija i ja mislim da smo bili dovoljno koherentni i objasnili smo ovo što smo imali za riječ. Tako da, evo, linije su otvorene, ako imate bilo koje pitanje, bilo koji request da nam kažete, svakako vas pozivam da se uključite i, dakle, objasnite što vam leži na duši, dakle, što je po vama to što bi mi trebali da vjerujemo. Ili mogu vam ja objasniti par stvari, na primjer, knjiga Golod Weiss ima 40 dakle, vrata, 40 duri, 40 ovih dorsa, 40 baba, dakle, bab znači dedor je što, i bar tako Balkanci imaju neke šale možda, dakle, ovim stvarima, ali kada pogledamo istorijski kontekst, svakako kada čitamo, na primjer, ne znam, Al-Hafna Šarif kao takav, svakako se objavljuju stvari u nekim kontekstima koji su, dakle, poznate ljudima, ali nekim ljudima ni nisu poznati, dakle, koje knjige su pisali ili koji hadisi su imali imami Ahlul Bejt. I ove stvari su baš zanimljive kada idemo u hadise Ahlul Bejta. Zašto je ovo, dakle, ozbiljno i zašto je ovo treba da se priča o ovome? Pa zbog toga jer je poslanik Muhamed kazao poznati hadis Taklein. Dakle, poznati hadis Taklein kaže da se Koran i Ahlul Bejt neće razdvajati do sudnjeg dana ili do dana kada će ljudi upoznat poslanika Muhameda kod, dakle, kod ovog ponda, u stvari, kod ovog izvora vode, i tamo će upoznat poslanika i objasniti će im istinu. I kao takav, dakle, ja nemam nikakvog, dakle, ne razumijem zašto ljudi koji nisu ni pročitali ništa o islamu takvom, dakle, ili su cijeli svoj život muslimani i čitali su neke knjige, ne žele raspravljati sa mnom, koji sam pripadnik Ahmad lično pisala, i, dakle, činio, dakle, dođu mi na kanal kao što sam stavio na live, dakle, juče, i došao mi čovjek, mislim da se zvao El Mukasar ili kako se zvao, dakle, i on mi, dakle, pričao, počeo, dakle, da me ovo, dakle, riječima, da se razumemo, dakle, nije uzeo mač, dakle, i došao mi da mi prijeti, ali svakako počeo je da me pita stvari po nekim njihovim takfirima, i ja sam mu rekao, gledaj čovječe, dakle, ti imaš pravo, što se mene tiče, u ovom sistemu u kojem se nalazimo, da ti vjeruješ bilo što. Možeš da vjeruješ u Flying Spaghetti Monster, možeš da vjeruješ u Ibn Taymiju, možeš da vjeruješ u Abdul Ibn Wahaba, barem što se mene tiče. Ti čovječe možeš da vjeruješ u što god želiš. I dok si ti miran i čovjek, dakle, možemo da pričamo o islamu i ako me zoveš bratom, ja ću te zvat bratom, dakle, ako me zoveš mangupom, dakle, ja ću te neću izvrijeđat, dakle, da si mangup, ali svakako ću te maknut sa kanala i neću ti više da dozvoli da dolaziš, vidiš, i zašto to ne bi bilo tako kad i ovo kanal kojeg sam ja stavio na TikTok, vidiš, zašto bi neko ovo tretirao kao da bi trebali da idemo u neke verbalne sukobe, da bi socijalne medije trebali upotrebljavati za neke vrste konfliktne situacije, ne da bi pričali barem sa nekim intelektom ili nivoom debatiranja koji bi imalo neki smisao, dakle, da ne bi bilo samo ovo, dakle, entertainment, kako ga je zabio, kako mu je ovo kazao, dakle, možemo da se idemo ovo, ali svakako možemo da se idemo na nekom nivou, dakle, na nekom nivou intelekta, bez uvreda i bez nekih stvari koji ne pritiče nekim ljudima koji vjeruju u božanstvo ili Boga, dakle, ili Allaha subhanahu wa ta'ala, kad smo već kod toga. I svakako, kogod želi, dakle, može da dođe, da šalje mi request, evo, mislim da ću evo, Kragujevac sad gleda, evo, Kragujevac, stavio sam ti invite, ako želiš, možeš me pitat bilo šta ko o Ahmadi religiji, mira i svjetlosti, možda o akutnim aspekta ovih posljednjih dana ili možda ideš na ovu noć vještica danas, dakle, možda ideš na dan mrtvaka sutra ili možda ideš na ove, ima samo ove dakle, odmor ili u stvari počitnice ili holidays kao svaki radnik kojih ima sad, dakle, ove potato holidays na Balkanu. Evo, salam alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, lijep pozdrav i mir s tobom, Kragujevac, nadam se da si dobro. Da li se čujemo? Alo?
Salam alaikum, moj brate.
Alaikum salam, kako smo? Da li smo u redu?
Dobro, moj jaran.
Super.
Dobro, alhamdulillah.
Malo, evo, da, ne možeš da pričaš? Da, izvoli. Alo, da li se čujemo? Da li se čujemo na liniji? Nešto te loše čujem, dragi Kragujevac, da li je sve u redu? Da li je sve u redu na vezi sa tobom? Ili možda nemaš dobru liniju? Lijep pozdrav i nadam se da se čujemo. Kragujevac, zdravo. Evo, Kragujevac, ja mislim da nemamo vezu. Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dragi brat Mohamed. Evo, slaću i bratu Mohamedu invite, tako da možemo i sa drugim braćom da pričamo.
Samo jedan ko...
Jesus is the way, Jesus is the true way, Mohamed, Mari, Aisha. Come on, Jesus is the way, I invite you to the channel and I will debunk that. Come, Jesus is the true way. Send me a request, I will debunk that in a split second. Why? Because I put the whole story on the channel, you know, the truth about it. And I can put another story about it and tell you this story, how it didn't, Prophet Muhammad didn't marry Aisha when she was 9. And if you want to come and speak in a coherent way about it, you're more than welcome to come, you know. So come and we'll discuss it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Mohamed, kako si? Ja se nadam da si dobro posle ovog radnog dana i da je sve u redu tamo gdje se nalaziš. Jesus is true way does our lives and Ursa Prospecov. My bar spread, yes, it's basically this story is a usual provocation by the Christians, you know, like everybody says, you know. Even I explained to a brother called Alesh, and look at the brother One Uma is back. Brother One Uma came back, and I think that brother One Uma wants to maybe join или maybe speak to us. So they're all kindly invited. know, brother One Uma, I disconnected you yesterday because you were not polite. If you will be polite today, I will connect you again, and if you like are more like calm, you know, more like in proper, speaking in a proper tone, we can speak, možemo pričati, dakle, One Uma, možda više ljudski, više na nivou kako ljudi pričaju, dakle, možda ne ove kafanske priče, dakle, da si ti znao i onda dođu ljudi i se nađe u problemu. Ne, jer svakako onda kako se mi zaprijetio internetom, već neki ljudi znaju da si ti zaprijetio nekome i ne stavljate ovo u baš ugodan, dakle, stav za tebe, jer svakako će te neko tretirati kao da si ekstremist, zar ne? Dakle, ako pogledaš šta smo pričali jučer, jer zašto? Pa zato, dragi brate, jer sam stavio sve na internet i stavio sam na socijalne medije i svi sada znaju ko si ti i ko ste vi koji ovdje dolazite i pretite ljudima. I ako imate neki problem sa tome, evo, izvolite i kažite mi što bi vi meni kao muslimani trebali objašnjavati, šta ja trebam da radim, dakle kako ja trebam da si molim i kojim povodom vi tekfirite naše članove našeg pokreta i kakvog problema imate sa Kaimom Abdullah Hašemom Abasadikom i šta pogrešno on priča. Dakle, svakako imate to pravo i ja vas pozivam da to učinite. Dakle, izvolite kazati, evo, Rabi Gugu Gaga dolazi. Gugu Gaga, pozdravljen, evo, stavio sam ti invite i izvoli doći i ovdje pričamo o religiji, o Ahmadi Religion of Peace and Light i pozivam te da dođeš jer si došao kao na kanalčić, dakle, da pričaš o religiji. Zašto? Jer ovdje pričamo o religiji i ne šalimo se kada pričamo na ovom kanalu. Dakle, možda sam se šalio na nekom drugom kanalu, na ovom kanalu se nisam šalio. Dakle, na ovom kanalu možda sam rekao neko šal. Evo, Rabi Gugu Gaga kaže da je agnostik. Nemam problema. Rabi Gugu Gaga, izvoli, ako si agnostik, ako se još tražiš šta je istina o religiji, dakle, da vjeruješ da postoji nešto, ali ne znaš da je to Bog. Evo, sad ću ti objasniti, dakle, da si u krivu. Da Bog postoji i da postoji i đavo i džinovi i zločesta djeca i sve ovo što piše u religioznim knjigama. Dakle, i svakako nema problema kad ti budem ovo objašnjavati, da ću ti objašnjiti sa svim slikovitim materijalima kojima tome pritiče. I svakako možemo razgovarati o tome. Dakle, izvoli i pozivam te da dođeš, da pričamo sa nekim tonom koji pritiče ljudima koji žele da razgovaraju o nekakvom razumno logikom i ovakvim stvarima. Evo, sad stiže nam gost, ja mislim da je Englez, evo. Mislim da se zove Wayne Oates. Evo, Wayne Oates, ja mislim da je on Englez, evo, Mohamed. Peace be upon you, dear brother Wayne Oates. How are you today?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam, dear brother Wayne Oates. Are you from the Balkans or are you from elsewhere?
I'm from the Caribbean region.
You are from the Caribbean region. How nice of you to hear from you. So, are you do you know about religion, or are you more like a agnostic guy?
It's a Christian country and we grew up into a Christian era and sin, but I became an Ansar now.
Wow.
Almost 2 years ago. 2 years ago I became an Ansar.
You became an Ansar?
Welcome me, brother.
That's right. And another brother is coming. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum salam.
Where are you from, dear brother? Do you come from Balkans or from elsewhere?
I come from Romania.
From Romania? Wow! Then you are from interesting region, which is in the Carpathian region. It's not exactly Balkan region. What do you think? Would you position Romania in the Balkans or elsewhere?
Balkans.
Balkans, really? Romania is in the Balkans.
But
That's interesting.
I am immigrant.
You are immigrant.
Yeah.
You are not in Romania right now, but you are in another region. You are not in Romania.
I am in Romania. I'm illegal immigrant.
Illegal. Look,
Yeah.
that is completely no problem. You know, it's like we can speak like coherently and we can speak like openly because I don't judge people if they reside in a place that they are not originally from. Why? Because I'm from Slovenia and I'm currently in England and I don't.
You're from Slovenia?
Yeah, I'm from Slovenia. I'm a Slovenian and like yeah, it's that I'm in England like because it wasn't like the best place for me to be like speaking about this religion in Slovenia, so I'm in England right now. No, and
Were
this
you
is why.
born Muslim?
Yeah, no, I'm not. I was not born a Muslim. I was born like I wasn't even like baptized. You know, I was more like this from more of an intellectual family. You know, my parents were. My mother is a teacher, and my father was a prominent academic. You know, like he was like. Yeah, walaikum salam, dear brother Kragujevac. You're back and. Imaš neko pitanje, dragi brat Kragujevac?
Do you speak French or another language?
I speak English and I speak Serbo-Croatian and I speak Slovenian. Other languages I don't speak.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just wanted to change to
Speak what?
speak about religion.
Yeah. Do you have any questions for me? You know, like, would you like to ask a question about Ahmadi religion of peace and light? You know, do you know about what is Ahmadi religion of peace and light and who is Abba Sadiq?
Why do you guys wear beanies?
Why? Because we are mocking the black turbans of the Shia scholars. This is why.
You're mocking
And
them?
we are presenting the working class. This is why. Also.
Okay, very
Any
interesting.
question? Yeah, it is. Of course it is interesting. And why shouldn't we, you know? Why should I listen to the guy who thinks that he grabbed the God by the balls because he's like a student in Hausa in Nazareth? Why? What?
Are you sure, Khawarij?
If I am Khawarij, I'm no Khawarij. Brother, if you're Khawarij, I have no problem with you, but you don't have the right to talk about me that I'm Khawarij. Sorry? What did you say? Are you threatening me? What did you say? What did you say? My brother, I don't hear you. The line is bad. The line is bad. The guy. Yeah, the guy.
Carla, you can't come into my live and then disrespecting them like Carla.
Yeah.
You were in war with me, brother.
Yeah. Hello, the brother from Kragujevac. He just left us because the line was bad. The line was bad, and he didn't hear what I just said to him, and he got disconnected. You see, he left very quickly.
When did you
as
join
he was long and short, you know. He was a bit of shortcoming regarding his stance upon religion and about like speaking with the morals and manners. You see?
Yeah.
Then.
When did you join Ahmadi?
Hold a second. This is not the way to do things, man. Listen, man. We are here.
You
When-
are
this is
speaking
when
to
it's
me
people
the way
come
to
to
do things. Why are
Hold
you
on.
speaking about
Whenever
the
people
way to do things? Who are you?
Yeah,
to
whenever
teach me how
people
to
come
do
into the
things?
live, hold on. Whenever people come into the live and they're behaving in that way, you just kick them out, bro. Because listen, we come to this live
this
to
is my
ask
channel,
questions,
brother.
to know.
Look, if you have
Yeah.
any problem about me speaking this way to the people, you have this stance upon me, but I have no problem acting this way. Okay? You are not in any way teaching me how to behave towards people. You see? Because I answered him. Look, I answered him.
No.
So you are
I'm
not.
saying the guy. I'm
No,
saying
no,
the guy,
wait,
Carla.
you don't understand, brother. You don't understand me. You don't understand me. I'm telling you that you are in no position to teach me how to do things. See? Because this is my channel, yeah?
Brother,
Yeah.
Hold on. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
That's what I'm
No.
saying. The guy be disrespectful. He being
Yeah.
disrespectful.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I mean, this is
I
what.
disconnected.
Okay.
This
Okay.
is it.
Okay.
Yeah. This is it.
Yeah, you have all right to do that. You disconnect them whenever they
Yeah.
disrespect because simple as
This
that.
is why I disconnected. Yeah. And the
Yeah.
other guy also left because they were not provokers, They came to provoke like some sort of conflict. And I answered him, and the way he was talking to me, I didn't like it, so he got disconnected. And I have no problem with that, We can speak like openly about, like if you're from Caribbean, like Abbasadik speaks about like Loire religion, I know that you have this religion of how it is called, like I think it's it's like two this how to say deities. I would call them deities, like this they're treated as gods, who are masked as Christ, but like the Caribbeans like worship them as their own religion. It's like this religion within the religion, It's like it's called like in Haiti, like there's another thing, like that they're being worshipped, and like these things are being known, and these things are being discussed like openly between the black people. Like it's law and another, I forgot. It's in the Golden Lies, I think it's the door 48 or 40 about Egypt. And I know also because I know things. I mean, I heard things, not that I know things. I heard that there's like this war between Sixers and the Seveners, like, come on, that's stupid shooting here and there. But who talks about that? We don't want to talk about it because we are Ahmadi religion of peace and light, man. Like we are speaking openly about religions, and things like Azure things that are happening. Yeah, man. Yeah. No worries. So
Yeah,
we are not like some
Shukran,
sort of extremists who are searching for trouble, who are maybe want to be wax smart about it. No, but we are not like ignorant people who don't know what's going on. We are not like here to play dumb. It's everything is fine. In the Caribbean, come on. Like who doesn't? Come on. Because why? Because everybody has like social media. Everybody can open, like the news, what's going on, what's not. And like we also know that in the Caribbean, things haven't been like in the best, stance like for a long time. Regarding
what happened?
Yeah.
Hold on. What happened? We just get one I call it a hurricane, but it never really hit us. But it tear up our country very wicked, man.
Yeah. Oh,
So I mean, the US even fly in, and giving some aid to the people and stuff like that. So
it was called Melissa in Jamaica, I think. It hit also the Caribbean.
yeah, Melissa,
Oh.
that's there.
Oh, so,
and it never fully hit us.
Yeah, are you safe right now? Are you safe right now, or are you in the good place? That you're
Right now.
Yeah.
What happened? Where my house is, I'm far away from my house now because time was
Oh my
coming
God.
to migrate my house.
Oh.
Yeah, and get it. So
Yeah.
I plan to go and see my house by tomorrow morning, inshallah. I go and see
Inshallah,
my house. I haven't
brother.
seen my house yet from the storm, but the storm is away now. From us
I can.
otherwise, But otherwise, it's just that we did kind of really short of some food, but now the place is open up back. So things kind of flowing freely.
Yeah.
Man, so
That's horrible. Like I'm very sad. When I hear this kind of news, and it's but it's good that you're in a safe place. That you're even if you're far away from home. Like some people, are like desperate when these things happen. Like but people shouldn't get desperate. Like and of course like evil songs, like start thinking like, when somebody speaks, like this and this happened to a guy, they start to speak. No, it didn't happen, he's speaking like. I'm not like that because I don't know, like what really happened. But when I hear this kind of news, I'm always empathetic, I'm trying to be emphatic, I say, God help you. Like if you find some people go there, try to find some shelter, some food, and like maybe some place to stay, some refuge that you can come get in a safe way before the storm gets calmer, and this is like the
Well,
thing that
we have 5 recorded deaths so far, but it's not yet, and so we only sure of that, but we're sure of 5 deaths so far, but it's not fully completed yet how much deaths we have, but I'm sure of 5 so far, So.
Okay. Thank you, and may God help you, and hopefully you get safe and you get some food and some shelter. Good luck to you and the brothers there. So thank you for the dropping by, for the support, and if you want to ask us anything about Ahmadi religion of peace and light, do you know who the Qaim is? Who is Abdul Hashim? Have you heard of him?
Yes, man,
you are the answer, right? You
yes,
are the person.
I love our father Abba Sadiq, so I must know who our father is, man.
If you know Abba Sadiq, Labeik Abba Sadiq, because I have been supporting Abba Sadiq. Thank you, Wayne Notes, for dropping by, for giving respect to the AROPL Balkans channel. I'm so happy that we are sharing this positive thoughts, in a.
Yes, man, it's a.
It's also I spoke. I mean, I didn't speak to, but I was like I was like in a contact with some people that are not answered, but with some basically comedians who said that they're doing this comedy show how everybody should go to war, and it's like that the guy was speaking, now act, normal but positive normal, you should speak like positive normal. I laughed about it, because it's beautiful to be able to have maybe to joke a bit in the time of turmoil, it's not like to be joking about sad things, but keep a positive stance. What can you do, in terrible thing happened in the Caribbean, this storm Melissa, and if somebody everything exploded, I put for example, I've been there, but what can you do, when you lose your job, you can cry about, I don't have a job, what will I do, I lost this, I will go and drink, what if somebody loses, like you did, you're not where you used to be, you lost your home, you don't know where you even have a home, and you are keeping the positive stance, and you are being positive about your current situation. I mean, you are right now an example how one who is a human being should be, how a brother who believes in God should be, and you are worth more in my eyes than any scholar who talks about Islam and reads 70,000 books, because I don't care about that. You're keeping you're a positive human being, and you are fighting in a time of turmoil, and I see that as something beautiful. So good luck to you and your brothers, and God bless you. And
Inshallah
khair. May God reward you. And Ali here says, God bless you, have a good weekend. Assalamu alaikum to brother Ali. Brother Muhammad, I think he has something to say, or another brothers are coming. I think there are some other brothers who also want to join in. So inshallah we get more people to join, and we have more interactive debate until I go to have something to eat. So here in England it's basically peaceful, I'm basically here in mid-England, and it is a bit of rain, a bit of sprinkling for now, but hopefully it doesn't get worse. But we never know, because this November, hopefully it will not be so rainy, hopefully, but we never know, because always in November this autumn weather is not the nicest one. We all know about rainfall in November is getting, in this sort of unusual ways, and of course many people are affected by it. Hopefully, people who are believers in God are not getting struck by it. Even people, for me, like I even once I said to people, write on your doors. People like treated me like I'm some sort of fanatic. That if I wrote like allegiance is, I didn't write it in Arabic. I didn't write it in Arabic. Like I wrote like allegiance is to God. I didn't say Bayatulillah. But people like acted strange towards that place that I wrote that thing on. Like they consider it as something unusual, but in some sort of like countries, this is indeed a tradition. They don't write like allegiances to God. They write, for example, the signs of the name of the three wise men. This is a Christian tradition of course, the Protestants. It's a Protestant tradition. That they write like the name of like we can call it in the Balkans like gosti, and Boltežar. These three wise men, and that people know that there is a Christian, for example, that for example other some people are smart, because some write it that Jehovah's Witnesses don't appear at their doors, because Jehovah's Witnesses are known, to have a special kind of way of speaking to people, But of course, these relations between other religions are being, in some sense, of knowing things, Of course, I'm being conscious of that, It's not that I'm being born like yesterday. It's not like a taboo thing for me to speak a bit about this sort of things, because like at the end of the day we're speaking about religion. So yeah. Any other questions, Wayne?
No.
Yes.
No, I can't come in for me.
Okay.
Coming in for me. I'm gonna take.
If you're calling the family, it's no problem, Wayne. Take care and good night. And to you. So I will disconnect you because you have basically other things to worry about. And yes, here we are. So if anybody else wants to join, braći i sestre, ako želite možete da se uključite da u bilo kojem trenutku da imate neko pitanje, neki stav koji želite da iznesete, da pričate u koherentnom smislu o religiji ili o tekućim događajima po svijetu. Volite, dakle, linije su otvorene, možete da mi šaljete request i zvaću vas na live, dakle, u nekom možda stavu koje bi vi željeli da iznosite ili bilo koje pitanje da imate, dakle, možete da ga pitate. I mi smo Ahmadi Legion of Peace and Light, dakle, barem tako se zovemo, Balkans se sastoji iz više vjernika, dakle, jer obuhvata u stvari peninsulu kojoj je daleko vibrantija i nalazi se više tipa ljudi tamo nego bi ljudi mislili da se tamo nalaze i svakako to je nešto lijepo, zašto ne bi bili svi ljudi i postojali kao takvi u ovom vremenu i prostoru i to je to. Jer kao ja sam rekao, dakle neki ljudi su shvaćali da ja ne znam, možda nekog mrzim ili da je balkanska regija neka regija koja priča o nekim stvarima ili predstavlja neke stvari ovako kako ljudi željeli da oni shvaćaju. Ali svakako mi nikakvog problema nemamo sa ljudima koji su možda iz Grčke, iz Turske, iz Sirije, možda iz Iraka, možda iz Amerike, ne. Dakle, to je čovjek, zašto? Jer imamo, dakle, moto. Naš moto je rekao Ahmed Al-Hasan, rekao sam prvi od medija i rekao je, dakle, čovjek je svoj brat u religiji, dakle, ako je musliman i ako nije tvoj brat po religiji, ako je musliman, onda je tvoj brat u čovječanstvu. I to je to. kao takav, dakle, i ja tretiram, dakle, svakog čovjeka kao čovjeka očigledno u appearance smislu, dakle, u takvog kako ga vidim, u moralama i manirima, kakvog se on predstavlja. I ja kao takav, ja se nadam da nikome nisam učinio nepravdu, da nikome nisam, dakle, rekao da je on ovakav ili onakav. Nisam, dakle. I imam sve dokaze za to, jer sam stavio i stavit ću, dakle, sve moje diskurze na internet i svaki koji bude pričao sa mnom, dakle, moje diskurze ću postaviti na net. Dakle, mene nije sramota to napraviti i objaviti kako ljudi pričaju sa mnom i u kojem smislu bi ja trebao, dakle, ako neko mi objasni da sam ja možda to nešto krivo učinio, neka mi dođe, dakle, i kaže mi kojim pravom ja morao da šutim, dakle, ili da ja neke stvari ne bi trebao da pričam, ili da ja nemam pravo nešto da pričam, ili da ja ne bi možda ovako glasno trebao da pričam, i ovakve stvari, dakle, ove stvari koji su možda nekim ljudima normalne, dakle, ovo da pazi šta pričaš ili nemoj ovako glas, svakako ja mogu da šutim, ako šutim, dakle, ako radim, onda šutim, dakle, ako radim za nekoga ili neko stvar za nekoga, dakle, ako pravim neki rad i neko drugi kaže šta se radi, svakako šutit ću, dakle, i radit ću ono što radi, ali kada pričamo o religiji, zašto bi ja trebao na svom kanalu da mi neko objašnjava nešto, zašto, dakle, i svakako ja nikakve potrebe nemam ovdje da mi niko objašnjava nešto, osim ako dođe Abasadik. Ako dođe Abasadik, ako dođe Imam Ahmed Al-Hasan, onda ću reći, dakle, onda je riječ od Abasadika, od Kaima, Aleksalam i od Sahib al-Zamana. I to je to, dakle. I ja se nadam da ste svi uživali u ovom uvodu u današnje live-ove i stavit ću išala neke videe koji ću napraviti na kanal i nadam se da ste svi dobro i da gledate i ostale kanale u drugim jezicima, arapski kanal, ja mislim da iranski kanal, dakle u stvari ovi perzijski kanali, izvinjavam se, i njemački kanali i ostali kanali koji su u drugim jezicima, engleskom, francuskom i ostalim jezicima, da su u redu i da svi imaju dovoljno gostiju i da ide tamo sve kako treba. I Ešhedu in la ilaha illallah, Ešhedu Muhammed abduhu rasuluhu, Ešhedu an aliin walimat min wuldihi hujurullah, Ešhedu an aliin walimat min wuldihi hujurullah, Ešhedu an al-magdi wa al-magdin min wuldihi hujurullah, Allahumma sallam Muhammed wa ali Muhammed alima al-magdin wa sallam taslima. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, nadam se da se vidimo uskoro. Lijep pozdrav svima i vidimo se uskoro na novom kanalu.